Alright, so this definition query is a little special. That it says if we do fertility underscore t equals 4901 or facility underscore t equals 4902 or facility underscore t 4903 because the three needed codes happen to be in numerical sequence, it is also possible to create an alternative equivalent compound criterion facility. You can do is facility underscore t greater and equal to 4901 and facility underscore t smaller and equals to 4903. But this is a special case. Now we're going to result in the map as a subset 631 of the original 20,000 plus facility showing just food pantries, soup kitchens, and joint soup kitchens and food pantries. We can verify this is true by opening the attribute table or facility. So right click on it and open attribute table. And now we do have a less 600 something. Now we're going to symbolize figure and ground features. So the subset of the map food facilities is figure and all other layers are ground. Figure features get accentuated with bright colors and ground gets shade of gray. And we're going to use the Manhattan bookmark. So if someone, let me see, closed it. And bookmark, Manhattan bookmark. Let's say if someone using this map would not study the map, so with so many points feature at full extent, but was zooming as shown within this bookmark. So in the contents page, we're going to click facilities and type food facilities as the name. So food facility. And in the contents pane, and we're going to right click on this and go to symbology, and then we will click unique values. Key map, unique values. And for unique values, we're going to click fact type underscore 1 as the field value. Fact type 1. Oh, fact type 1, fact. Alright. Okay, now, and then the field provides description for the facility codes. We're going to drag the soup kitchen value here to the top. Where is my soup kitchen? In up. Up. Alright. And then food pantry in the middle. And joint soup kitchen the bottom. So now it will have a food kitchen, food pantry, and joint soup kitchen and food pantry. Cannot see everything. Oh, right here. Oh, there. All right. So next we will symbolize the three types of facilities. And in this example, we're going to varying shape and color for unique point symbols. It's good practice. Colorblind people can use shape to identify facility classes, so facilities will remain distinguishable in black and white photocopies of such symbolization. The majority of people who can see color get the full effect of shape and color for seeing patterns of food facility. Now, to use the symbology gallery and properties to change these symbols, soup kitchen square 3, we will do soup kitchen square 3. Okay, mar red color. Okay, and property marks red color. Mars red color, and size is 0.8. Okay, click apply. And now food pantry, go back. Food pantry, and we will do is circle 3. And property we will do is Kratom brew. Where is Kratom brew? Kratom brew. And then the same way, I think it's just size 8. Click apply and back to here, and we will have the join thing. That will be cross 3, cross 3, and property we will do is yellow color size 10. Solid yellow and size 10. Perfect. Back to gallery, and I think we're done. And close, turn off, and oh, I forgot. Right click on it again, symbology, and back here, and we're going to more, move value, not add, okay, symbol, not more value count. I forgot. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, turn off all show all other value. So right here, so go to more value. Oh, right here, show all value. Okay. So the last one, it's the checkpoint. Show all other values. So now the food facilities are sharply in figure with constructing bright colors and shapes. For example, we can easily see that Manhattan has many more soup kitchens than the neighborhood boroughs, and that the northern part of Manhattan and adjoining Bronx have a large cluster of food pantries. So maybe put, then you can do more study there, but here we have the cluster of pantries. So a policy decision maker might want to know the streets where food facilities are located and doesn't want the details of a base map. So we turn off the word light gray base map and turn on Manhattan streets and display Manhattan Street as a ground feature. And we will use 20% with Manhattan streets, and we will use 20%. We will not use this one, and we're going to do the street map, add the base map and street map. Okay. Alright, so now I will close this out. And Manhattan streets, we will turn it on, but we want it property, that we wanted 20% gray and 0.5. Okay, and then click apply. And now close it out, bookmark, and go back to Manhattan. And now Manhattan experiment labels property. So let's see if our street has any label. Okay, go to label property, and I think it should be fine. That our symbol and everything, position, placement, symbol, appearances. Okay. We still can do halo. Yeah, we can do halo for the white. Click apply. There, it shows better now. Okay, so it didn't have any specific. Anyway, we're going to continue Choropleth map for quantitative attributes. We're going to show continuous variation in numerical attributes is not possible when you use the attribute to symbolize points or polygons on a map. The human eye simply cannot make distinctions unless there are relatively large change in graphic elements. We must break a numeric attribute up into relatively few classes, roughly 3 to 9, similar to how you create a bar chart for a numeric attributes. Each class has minimum and maximum attribute values. The minimum value is included in the class, but the maximum goes in the next classification to the right. So to symbolize map features, we're going to need the set of maximum values for classes, so called it breakpoints. So what we're gonna do is we're going to save everything and go to a new project file. Alright, close it out. And now we're going to do is 2.4 food stamps and snaps. Household by neighborhood map opens showing boroughs, neighbors, and water features. We're going to create a choropleth map of households receiving food stamps. A choropleth map uses color in polygons to represent numeric attributes, values. So, use color polygons to represent numeric attribute values, generally increasing color values, darkness of the color. In a color scheme represents increasing higher values. So now we will use US Census data aggregated to New York City neighborhoods to create choropleth maps for households with persons over 60 receiving food stamps as NAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. I wish I could get that because I'm a poor person. I need help for food. Alright, but I will help myself out. Okay, now we will have Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. The SNAP choropleth map use classification methods to display the data, and methods will vary depending on the data and intent of the map. The default classification method is natural breaks. This method uses an algorithm to cluster values of the numeric attribute into groups with the boundaries of the group breakpoints defining classes. The natural breaks method will be suited for some applications in the natural sciences. However, quantile classification is often a better starting point because the method is easily understood and provides information about the shape of a distribution. The quantile method breaks a distribution into classes, each with the same percentage of data points. For example, each quantiles with 4 classes has 25% of the data observation, with the middle breakpoint being the median. By studying quantile breakpoints, you will determine whether a distribution is roughly uniform, has equally placed quantiles, or is skewed to the right, has interval defined by breakpoints that become progressively larger with larger values. The former become good candidates for the defined interval method. Uniform distribution with easily read numbers for breakpoints, and the later for the geometric interval method. Fun and interesting with interval distribution of breakpoints, many attributes have a skewed distributions. So now, in the contents pane, click neighborhoods and type over 6% receiving food stamps to rename the layer. Wow. I want that, so we will change the neighborhoods into that over age 60 receiving food stamps. Okay, now other symbology pane for this layer, we're going to use the following guidelines to symbolize the layer. So now, we will right click on it, go to symbology, And then for symbology, we will choose graduated symbols. And for field, we will do